Alright, now the clock application on One UI 8.5 has got some meaningful upgrades, brand new interface packed with some beautiful redesigns and very exciting new features. And in today's video, we are going to take a look at all of this. But before we do that, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you find this video informative. And don't forget to download our wallpaper application Volverse. The link is in the description. Now, the moment you open the application, you can instantly see a huge difference with a sleek grayish background replacing the older darker look. We now have this brand new floating island at the bottom that houses all our tabs inside these modern capsule shapes. This floating button design is actually a consistent UI change you will be seeing across the entire One UI 8.5 system. You can also notice the text font is noticeably bolder now, and there is a really nice blur effect at the top and bottom that looks incredible. Next, let's jump to the world clock, which now features this absolutely beautiful map background that adjusts its color based on the daytime or the nighttime of your selected cities. But the most brilliant addition here is the brand new time zone converter tool that you can easily access right from the top. It gives you a slider at the bottom, allowing you to smoothly swipe and instantly convert the time across all your saved locations. If you're somebody who keeps traveling around the world, or if you're someone who get into meetings with people sitting in different corners of the world, then you are going to love using this feature to keep a tab on different time zones. Moving over to the stopwatch, Samsung has added a gorgeous new gradient effect in the background that makes the whole interface look so much better. You get two distinct layouts here, allowing you to seamlessly swipe between a really cool analog hand watch face and a standard digital counter. Over on the timer tab, the quick selection buttons are now housed in these sleek capsules, and the start button beautifully lights up when a time is selected. Thankfully, the handy mini timer is still perfectly working on your home screen when you exit the application while a timer is running. Next, we have an amazing new feature for alarms. That's the brand new live weather effect background. When you create a new alarm and scroll down to the background, you can now select your local weather instead of just the standard solid colors. This means when your alarm rings, the screen will show live animations like rain or snow depending on what is actually happening outside. It is definitely a cool feature because the moment you open your eyes in the morning, you will immediately know what the weather is like in your area. Next, on the newer version of the clock, the alarm screen features a transparent frosted glass effect when the phone is unlocked, offering a more modern aesthetic compared to the older version. And if you snooze an alarm on the One UI 8.5, it now appears directly in your live notifications, allowing you to tap and expand the alarm status immediately from there. In the previous version, you typically had to navigate to the notification center to interact with the snoozed alarm. These are some very cool, useful changes and upgrades on the all-new clock application on One UI 8.5. If you have found any other features, do share it in the comment section. If you want me to cover all the system applications in the upcoming videos, do drop a comment and let me know that. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to download our wallpaper application Volverse. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.